Wow, what a finish, Woody.
We've got a really interesting dynamic set up here on the percentage front, Judoslav. Rigo Torres missed 6% in his attack, and combined, eVe, Kala, and Carlito both also missed 6% in their attacks.
eVe MaRc for Team Elevate. He is one of their base builders. He likes to test and bait entries, so he will have had his eye on this one, trying to look if any of the entries for his Queen Charge could be baited. And that is exactly what he's using, the Queen Charge Lava Loon.
This is a do-or-die opportunity now for Team Elevate. The triple required to stay in contention against a TOMPINAI Empire squad that has stomped on them 3 times in a row. Early knockdown of the Town Hall will leave him ready to focus on the rest of the base. He's already got the CC pull as well. A well-insulated Queen along the outer edge will get a poison to help along with those pups. The main phase of the attack, though, is going to be just a single Lava Hound out in front of 24 loons and 13 minions. Very heavy DPS focus. With an army comp like this, you want to see lots of air defenses going down early on, preferably take down 2 or 3 of them with your heroes and the additional support squad here. Looks like the Barbarian King pathing along to that top compartment might have a chance to go for that air defense next, but ooh, he's going outside, Judo.
Yeah, I think that's... I mean, does he use the baby dragon here? I don't think it's the end of the world because the Archer Queen can reach that air defense. She is doing pretty good moving through this base, and he's got the jump spell. It's whether he lets her take the air defense before he uses the jump or whether he just focuses her fire in towards the multi-target Infernos. Does decide to use the jump, uses a wizard to take that air defense, so nice adaptations there, Woody, as the Archer Queen moves on towards the air defense. Inside joke there. Woody doesn't like me using the word adaptions, but there we go. What's happening now, Woody? The Royal Champion taking down the Eagle Artillery on the right-hand side, and the Queen is doing fantastic in the middle of the base.
Brilliant adaptations from MaRc here. He has really got a great head on his shoulders and is prepared to swap up on the fly as needed. Lava Hound, the Soul One pops. And looking at the remainder of this base now, I still see that air defense over on that right side corner might be the final showdown for MaRc to try to get to it. Balloons are well spread out and protected from the multi-target Inferno with that internal tome, but only for how long? Drops the freeze with perfect positioning. He will protect against both the multi and the wizard tower at the same time. A little more fire coming in to pop another balloon or 2, but oh, a red airmine takes several more down. They've just got to get to that air defense on the backside, and MaRc could have this one in the bag. He's pumping his fist, excited to see him do work on this base.
I am so glad that he got this one because it keeps the pressure on. I was also saying at the start of this attack, all they need to do is 3-star the next 2 attacks. And let's be honest, it is not an easy task against TOMPINAI Empire. But eVe MaRc pulling in the 3 stars. And now if Team Elevate defend, they could clinch this war and turn it around at the very end.